Young, wild, and free. Ayan ang sabi dito sa apat na ito. You are also called to be one of the front runners. How does it feel?
Well, sobrang overwhelmed and well kasi second time ko na to kaya nakaka-overwhelmed pa rin kasi inaabangan pa rin ako ng kahit comeback ko na to.
Oh, comeback mo nga eh. What makes it different from yung last year mo? Ano ang atake?
Well, siguro ngayon mas matured na and disciplined na ng mindset natin compare last year. Kasi last year, mas nagpadaig ako sa pressure kaya hindi ako nakapag-perform na maayos.
Now, medyo relaxed.
Mas relaxed na.
Yeah. You are one of the early bets also ng ating mga press and the people here at the preliminary. We don't know about the judges, but I think they also have a good points on you. How does it feel about that?
Sana mataas din yung points ko sa kanila, pero hearing that from you, sobrang saya ko kasi isa ako sa mga top mo. Thank you so much.
You are also not only a towering height but also a towering face, I guess. Isa sa mga highlights ng iyong, I mean, that is one of your strength. And how will you be able to use that strength in order for you to be the next king?
All right, I'll use my strength to show how Kapampangan indistinctively handsome we are. So we hope in the future you support us this coming July 20.
Okay. Ikaw naman, diba? This is, I think, your the first national pageant, but you are now already competing with the best of the Mr. International. How does it feel and what is that strategy of yours na gagamitin?
Sobrang flattered na mapasama ako sa kanila kasi sila talagang panalo sila sa mga kanya-kanyang bayan nila ng pageant nila, di ba? So, ayun. Gagawin ko yung best ko para maka-keep up sa kanila. So, thank you.
Why do you think you should be the next Mr. International Philippines 2025 in one word?
Authentic.
I have the influence. Optimistic.
I'm confident.
Yung naisip niyo pa yung mga words na yan. Okay. Congratulations in advance, and I think that we're gonna get the crown here at Mr. International Philippines 2025. Good luck and see you on the July 20th.
See you guys. See you. Congratulations.